These new navigators will allow you to create custom navigation experiences without needing to create multiple buttons or managing and maintaining those buttons as you add in new pages or new bookmarks. Let's take a look at this example. So here on the left, I have this page navigator here. So I'll click on that and you can see here that this is all a single unit. It's not multiple buttons. And the way I've formatted this is if I go to the Pages tab within Format Navigator, you'll see here that I'm allowing to show any of the hidden pages, and then I've turned off showing tooltip pages. So the cool thing about this is that as I add in new pages, it'll get automatically added to the navigator. So for example here, let's go ahead and just add a page 1, and we'll go back to the navigator. You see that it got automatically added to this navigator, and you'll notice that the page name matches exactly the name that you see here. So if you wanted to rename it, you can just double click and rename the page. You can also change the order of the page, and it will impact how it shows up in the list of pages. So as you can see, like that. And you'll get a ton of formatting options as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at these. So for one, you'll get the normal options like you would any other button, which is like the fill, outline, text, and shape options. And then a new thing that you'll get that's really great for navigation experiences is specifying what layout you want, whether you want vertical, grid, or horizontal, and also specifying how much padding you want in between the individual buttons within the navigator. Now let's take a look at the bookmark navigator. So the one that I've created in this example is right here, which is looking at bookmarks for company analysis, as well as genre analysis, and then finally we have one for platform analysis. So let me first show you what bookmarks that these correspond with. So we have them available here. So in this bookmark group, I have global sales, and there you see those 3 bookmarks. And the way that I've set this one up is if we go over to bookmarks, we have this option where we specify either all bookmarks or we specify a specific bookmark group, which in this case is the global sales group, which has those 3 bookmarks. And so the beauty of this is that as I'm adding new bookmarks, I just need to drag and drop them and add them in the group, and they would automatically show up here in the navigator. And as I reorder them, you'll also see that the order changes immediately. Same if I rename the bookmarks here as well. And so that kind of gives you a little flavor of what's offered with these new navigation experiences, and I highly recommend trying it out and customizing it to really build out those custom experiences that you want in your report, and seeing how so much easier it is to update as you add in new bookmarks or new pages, and maintaining those navigation experiences as your report changes over time.